So before we start with this presentation, let me take you back to the time when humans did not know what an atom was, or even before Benjamin Franklin discovered that lightning was electrical in nature. Before mankind ever made kingdoms, they made a golden liquid. This liquid consisted of rice, millets, grapes, and honey. And then, within a few thousand years, cultures all over the world were fermenting their own drinks. Ancient Mesopotamians and Egyptians used stored cereals and grains, whereas Indians used rice and coconut. After the process of distillation was discovered, these drinks were converted into what we now call as spirits. They became an essential trade commodity and were majorly traded in exchange for goods, lands, and slaves. Scotland and Ireland mastered their distilling process, and very soon it became a commercial proposition. One by one, local whiskies turned into global brands, and each one of them acquired a distinct place in one's heart. American, Canadian, Japanese, Tennessee, single malt, blended. The global whiskey market was valued at $59 billion in 2019 and is projected to reach at $86 billion by 2027, registering at CAGR of 4.9%. Changing consumer taste and resurgence of cocktail trend is one of the significant factors that drive the market globally. Young consumers are more inclined towards well-crafted, flavored spirits that are authentic, have rich heritage and brand story. In comparison, the seniors have always taken pride and defined themselves with different brands. For this reason, whiskey, particularly, has become one of the fastest selling products among other alcohol beverages. Overall, the single most significant factor behind whiskey growth is raising incomes, especially in developing world. Growth is coming primarily from two largest categories of whiskey, blended Scotch and locally produced Indian whiskies, both of which rely on developing world consumers for raising consumptions. More people than ever are now considering whiskey as an affordable luxury. Today, brands like Diageo and William Grant and Sons fight for various consumer segments.
So now that we have learned how whiskey has evolved and how various brands have emerged with their products, we proudly present to you a brand which aims to teach you and spread knowledge about the whiskey tasting notes and educate you about the whiskey etiquettes so that you can enjoy your glass of whiskey to the fullest. We proudly present to you Moksh, above all.